The Robotics Center represents the STEM Learning Kit. Unlock the future of creativity with our superfine STEM learning. Build 16+ electronics projects with 24/7 video tutorials. Also can access to scholarship program up to 12,000 per year. Enhance knowledge by experiencing the encouraging projects like car reverse parking, used components battery power block, obstacle sensor, sensor base with threshold, pendulum, used components obstacle sensor and buzzer. Touch Me Not Robot, components are battery power block motors, obstacle sensor with sensor base. Drawing board, used component battery power block, motor and pen. You can also learn safety and security projects like beep player, line follow robot, cliff avoiding robot and many more outstanding projects. Learn to building circuit, how to use motors and so on. The best platform to develop key skills such as grow integrity, critical thinking, decision making, problem solving, with endless discovery. Discover, design, and develop your own robots with Robotics Center.